Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2018 Toyota Rav4, and we're going to go over how you would replace the bumper or remove the bumper to be able to replace it if you need to. So to start with, to remove the bumper, we've got some number 10 bolts up on the top here. There's one here and one on the other side that matches. There's two screws, and these got the little bumpers on them for the hood itself, so when the hood's down, and a push pin. There's two push pins right there, and that's all that will be on the top. And then we've got this that connects here with part of the headlight, and the Fender Rail stuff, and some bolts along the bottom. So we'll start with the Fender Rail portion here. So right here in the Fender Rail, we've got one bolt right here, and that's a size 8. And then we have the flat screwdriver clamp that we got to undo there. And this bolt here is a size 8. Okay, so that part's undone. And then with that part undone, you're able to grab and pull the bumper away from this plastic clip. And now we've got bolts to remove on the bottom and the bolts to remove on the top. So on this side, we've got this one bolt right here to remove, and then the bolt here, and then down along the front we've got some more bolts to remove. So these are a size 10. Okay. Alright, so there's the two bolts on the top to remove, two screws, two push pins, and then the whole bumper will come undone. We had done the fender side on this side. You would do the same on the other side to remove it, and then that's how you remove your bumper. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.